Hello and welcome. It's a pleasure to guide you through this material. We'll be focusing on understanding what AI or artificial intelligence truly is, and specifically delving into generative AI, GenAI, and why these technologies are so crucial right now. Think of AI as machines that can learn and solve problems, while GenAI is a super creative cousin that actually generates brand new content, like text or images, all on its own. It's truly reshaping how we work, create, and innovate, bringing exciting changes to the modern workplace and opening up incredible new possibilities. Let's talk about AI and really dig into what it is and what it isn't. Fundamentally, AI describes when computers learn from data to tackle tasks usually needing human smarts, like recommending a movie or diagnosing an issue. Think of it as a super efficient problem solver, not a sentient being with feelings. It's built on logic and patterns, not consciousness. So while AI can be incredibly powerful for making decisions and predictions, it's crucial to separate the actual technology from the often exaggerated sci-fi portrayals. Let's consider AI, which is fundamentally about computer systems designed to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. But here's the key. It's not conscious or sentient and certainly not magic. It's pure computation. AI follows programmed algorithms, diligently learning patterns from data through mathematical processes, not by thinking or feeling. Think of it less as a mysterious entity and more as an incredibly sophisticated set of calculations. It's also vital to remember that AI isn't a single technology, but a vast field encompassing many different approaches and techniques. Let's break down machine learning. It's this super cool part of AI where systems actually learn and get better from experience, rather than us writing a specific instruction for every single thing. Think about your email spam filter. It wasn't programmed for every new scam. Instead, it analyzed tons of messages, learned patterns, and now recognizes threats you've never even seen before. This whole process relies heavily on having both good data quality and enough quantity of data to function effectively and make accurate predictions. It's like teaching a child. The more good examples they see, the better they learn. Let me help you understand that the history and evolution of AI isn't just a recent phenomenon. Think of it like a tree growing from a tiny seed of an idea, perhaps even ancient dreams of intelligent machines. Over decades, it branched out through different approaches, from early symbolic logic systems to today's powerful machine learning algorithms. This constant evolution shows how our understanding of intelligence keeps expanding, leading to the sophisticated AI transforming our world from simple problem solving to complex tasks, much like a child growing into a capable adult. Let's get into the fascinating journey of AI. It all started back when Alan Turing questioned if machines could truly think, eventually leading to artificial intelligence being coined as an academic discipline. Then came incredible milestones like IBM's Deep Blue proving AI could master complex strategic thinking, fundamentally shifting our understanding. That opened the door to the deep learning revolution, which completely transformed things like image recognition, kicking off the modern AI era. Now, with the GenAI explosion, models like ChatGPT are bringing these amazing capabilities to millions, truly transforming industries overnight. Let me walk you through the amazing evolution of artificial intelligence over the past 7 decades. We started from theoretical concepts, really just brilliant ideas on paper, but through persistent innovation, we've built incredibly advanced AI systems. Today, these aren't just complex algorithms. They can genuinely understand what we say, create new content, and even collaborate with humans in ways we never thought possible. It's this continuous journey that allows AI to work alongside us, empowering us in truly unprecedented ways, and changing how we interact with technology daily. Let's break down what artificial intelligence truly is, along with its core components. Essentially, AI is the big picture goal of building smart machines that can mimic human intelligence. Then, within that, you have machine learning, which is how we achieve AI by teaching computers to learn directly from data, rather than programming every step. Think of it like a child learning from experiences. Deep learning, a powerful subset of machine learning, takes this further using complex, brain-like neural networks for incredibly intricate tasks, like recognizing patterns in images or understanding language. These ideas are the foundation. Let's look at generative AI, which is truly fascinating because it's all about creating, not just analyzing. Unlike traditional AI that might categorize things or predict outcomes, generative models actually produce novel outputs like brand new images, unique text, or even music. Think of it like a creative artist learning from countless examples to then make something entirely unique. ChatGPT, for instance, writes human-like text by understanding language patterns from its training data. It's a powerful shift from just processing existing information to actually generating it. Let's talk about large language models, or LLMs. Think of them as incredibly powerful AI brains that have read billions of words, literally everything from books to websites. This massive training allows them to understand and generate human-like language with remarkable fluency. It's why tools like ChatGPT can have natural conversations with you, almost like talking to a person. They're not just for chatting. LLMs enable diverse applications, from writing articles and translating languages to even helping with customer support and creating imaginative stories. It's truly fascinating how remarkably human they feel. Let me guide you through why truly understanding terms like AI, ML, and generative AI is so incredibly important today. My experience tells me that without clear definitions, we often get caught up in exaggerated hype and unrealistic expectations. It's vital to demystify this technology, helping us distinguish genuine capabilities from marketing promises. This knowledge then empowers us to make smart technology decisions, knowing precisely what AI can and cannot do. It's absolutely essential for successful implementation and achieving real ROI, transforming confusion into confidence. Let's talk about why AI is transforming the workplace. It's fundamentally reshaping how we do things, not just by automating mundane tasks like data entry, but by acting as a powerful assistant. Think of it as having a highly intelligent co-pilot that can analyze vast amounts of information and offer insights, ultimately augmenting human capabilities. This shift frees us up to tackle more complex, creative challenges, making us incredibly more efficient and productive. It's creating entirely new roles and opportunities, truly changing the game. Let's explore the concept of how rapidly AI, especially generative AI, is transforming the business landscape. It's truly astonishing. We're witnessing nearly 9 in 10 organizations already leveraging AI in some capacity. And the investment in GenAI? It's rocketing, projected to hit $37 billion by 2025, a whopping 3.2x surge. Think of it like a wildfire spreading, as AI isn't just growing. It's the fastest scaling software in history. This isn't a slow evolution. It's a full-blown technology revolution, fundamentally reshaping how we innovate and compete across every industry. Let's get into how AI is truly transforming the way we work. It's brilliant at automating repetitive, time-consuming tasks, like data entry or basic analysis. This isn't about replacing people. It's about freeing employees to focus on strategic, creative, and high-value work. I've personally observed that companies using AI for growth and innovation significantly outperform those just focused on cost-cutting. Imagine AI agents autonomously managing complex scheduling, or generative AI drafting reports, letting us really lean into problem-solving and innovation rather than getting bogged down in routine. Let's look at why AI is no longer optional. It's a strategic imperative for organizations aiming to stay competitive. It's essentially the most powerful tool we have to create our future. To truly leverage it, we must understand its genuine capabilities alongside its realistic limits. This knowledge empowers us to adopt AI thoughtfully, ensuring we lead the next era of work. That brings us to the end of our session. Thank you for your wonderful attention, and I hope this was helpful. Welcome. I'm excited to share some interesting concepts with you. Let's start by looking at generative AI, which is truly a fascinating technology that's completely reshaping how we think about creativity. Essentially, it's AI that doesn't just analyze data, but actually creates brand new things like text, images, or even music that never existed before. It's a powerful tool that's transforming how we work and innovate, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in a digital world. Here's an interesting topic: generative AI. When I hear that phrase, I think about AI that doesn't just analyze or classify, but actually creates brand new things. It's like a super smart artist or writer who has studied millions of examples and can then produce original essays, realistic images, or even code, all from a simple prompt. It learns intricate patterns from massive datasets and then generates novel content, rather than just recognizing existing data. It's truly fascinating to see what it can dream up. Time to understand that generative AI isn't just about categorizing information. It's about creating new content from scratch. Imagine giving a brief idea a user prompt and watching it instantly produce unique text, images, or even music that feels remarkably human-like. This technology learns from vast datasets, we're talking billions of examples, to master patterns. Then, it uses that deep understanding to generate outputs that are entirely novel, totally transforming how we approach creative tasks. It's like having a brilliant assistant who can compose something brand new every time. Let's explore the concept of how generative AI works. At its core, it's built on neural networks that loosely model human brain structure, featuring layers of interconnected nodes processing information. Think of it like a diligent student learning from countless examples. These AIs are rigorously trained on enormous datasets, allowing them to recognize patterns and predict the most likely next element, be it a word, a pixel, or a musical note. That's precisely how tools like ChatGPT can generate conversational text, or DALL-E, create stunning images from descriptions. It's truly incredible. Let's talk about how language models really process information. They don't actually see text as whole words, like we do. Instead, they break everything down into smaller units called tokens. Think of these as the fundamental building blocks, much like Lego bricks. They can be pieces of words, entire words, or even individual characters. By cleverly predicting sequences of these tokens, with each prediction building on the previous context, these models generate coherent sentences, and even entire documents. A massive vocabulary of around 100,000 tokens, like in GPT-4, means they handle multiple languages and complex terminology with remarkable fluency. Let's examine two fundamental ways AI systems learn language. Masked models are like super smart, fill-in-the-blank solvers. They predict missing words by looking at all the surrounding text, understanding relationships in both directions. Think of it as knowing the whole sentence to guess one word. Then we have auto-regressive models, which are more like writing a story. They predict the next word sequentially, one at a time, building content step by step. Each new word depends only on what came before, creating that natural flow we see in conversational AI like GPT. These approaches truly revolutionize natural language processing. Let's explore the concept of generative AI's strengths. It's truly incredible how it can create entirely new content, from compelling articles to unique images, rather than just replicating existing ones. Think of it like a super smart assistant that doesn't just fetch information, but invents things on the fly. This capability allows for amazing efficiency, freeing us up from repetitive tasks and sparking fresh ideas. The real power lies in its ability to innovate and solve problems creatively, pushing boundaries in so many fields, making it a remarkably versatile tool. Let's look at how creative automation is becoming a powerful productivity booster for all of us. Imagine freeing up hours by automating those repetitive tasks, like drafting emails or summarizing long documents. This isn't just about saving time. It's about enabling rapid ideation, letting you prototype ideas lightning fast, and explore multiple creative directions. Plus, it can generate diverse content, from text to images, even music, all from simple prompts. This truly democratizes creative capabilities, letting us focus on strategic thinking rather than getting bogged down in the busy work. Let me walk you through some incredible real-world impacts of generative AI. It's not just about simple automation. We're seeing AI maintain a host's original voice for translated podcasts, making content globally accessible and personal. Then there's AI synthesizing training data for autonomous driving, creating diverse scenarios to safely teach cars how to navigate dangerous edge cases we couldn't easily test otherwise. And for developers, tools like Copilot accelerate software creation by suggesting code and writing entire functions, transforming how we build technology by acting as an intelligent co-creator. Let me help you understand that while AI and GenAI are incredibly powerful, they come with significant limitations you need to know. Think of them as super smart pattern matchers, not true thinkers. They don't genuinely understand concepts or have common sense. They just predict the next most probable word or action. This means they can sometimes hallucinate, confidently making up facts, or inherit biases present in their training data. So while they can generate amazing content, always remember to verify and apply your own critical judgment. Let's get into why generative AI isn't truly intelligent, despite its impressive capabilities. It's actually a sophisticated pattern matching system that doesn't understand or think in any meaningful sense. Think of it like a highly advanced predictor. It simply processes patterns and calculates statistical probabilities from its training data to generate outputs. It lacks genuine creativity or emotional depth, and can't truly reason about novel situations or originate fundamentally new ideas. And here's a critical flaw. It sometimes confidently generates false information, which we call hallucinations, with the same conviction as accurate responses. Let me explain why AI quality directly reflects its training data, a concept often called garbage in, garbage out. Imagine teaching a child with only one-sided or inaccurate information. They'll develop a skewed view. Similarly, if AI is fed biased or incomplete data, it inevitably produces flawed results, perpetuating existing problems. That's why critical human oversight is absolutely essential. We need to actively review AI outputs, identify bias, address ethical concerns, and ensure everything aligns with our organizational values and legal requirements. It's about making sure the AI truly serves us, not just reflects past imperfections. Let's discover the fascinating landscape of AI and GenAI, and crucially, begin by debunking common myths that often surround them. It's easy for misconceptions to take root, like believing AI is purely magic, or that it will instantly replace every job. But getting a real handle on these transformative technologies means we need to separate the hype from reality. By clarifying these widespread myths, we can truly grasp their capabilities and limitations, fostering a more informed and practical approach to using GenAI, free from unfounded fears. This helps us appreciate its true power responsibly. Let's get into what generative AI really is beyond the hype. It's crucial to understand it doesn't replace human creativity. AI assists and augments us, but lacks genuine originality or emotional nuance. Also, it's not just about text and images anymore. Think music compositions, realistic voice synthesis, and even insights for scientific research. Most importantly, AI doesn't work alone. A human in the loop is absolutely critical for guidance, judgment, and ensuring ethical considerations. Without us, it's just a sophisticated tool, not a creative genius. Understanding these realities helps us use it wisely. Now let's dive into wisely embracing generative AI. It's a transformative tool with vast potential, yet recognizing its clear limitations is crucial. Success comes from blending AI's computational power with our unique human judgment, creativity, and ethical oversight. By staying informed and using it responsibly, we preserve the irreplaceable human touch and unlock exciting possibilities. I appreciate your dedication to learning. I hope this was enlightening and thank you for being here. Hello and welcome. It's a pleasure to guide you through this material. We'll be focusing on understanding artificial intelligence, exploring both its impressive capabilities and, importantly, its limitations. Think of AI as incredibly powerful smart machines that can process vast amounts of data and perform complex tasks, almost like a super efficient assistant. However, we'll delve into why human judgment remains essential, even in this age of advanced tech. It's all about learning how to best work with AI, recognizing its strengths, and knowing when our unique human insight is simply irreplaceable. Now let's dive into understanding AI not as some complex, intimidating subject, but through truly familiar, everyday scenarios we all encounter. My goal is to use these everyday examples to make even the most complex concepts easy to grasp, long before we even think about technical details. Think about your music recommendations or that helpful voice assistant on your phone. Recognizing AI in these simple moments creates a fantastic foundation. It's about demystifying the technology by seeing its intelligence in action all around us. Time to understand how AI truly learns versus understands. Imagine asking a computer to cook a delicious meal. It doesn't actually understand what delicious means, right? Instead, it meticulously examines thousands of recipes, identifying statistical patterns in which ingredients and dishes commonly appear together, like pasta often pairing with tomato sauce. It simply recognizes these frequent connections, the what people combine, not the subjective why it tastes good. So AI is brilliant at spotting data trends, but it lacks the genuine human comprehension of a concept like tasty. Let's look at how computers actually learn. With traditional programming, we give them very specific, step-by-step instructions. Much like writing a detailed recipe for a dish, they simply follow those exact rules. But AI operates quite differently because it learns from data, not rules. Instead of explicit directions, it studies thousands of examples to discover underlying patterns and relationships. Imagine a chef tasting countless meals to instinctively know what flavors work well together most often, making predictions based on statistical frequency, rather than a set list of instructions. It's about finding those hidden connections. Let's talk about what AI actually does. Essentially, it's brilliant at pattern recognition, spotting connections within enormous amounts of data. Imagine AI sifting through your shopping history, noticing you always buy coffee with bagels, then making a prediction to suggest a new coffee brand. It's simply making educated guesses based on historical patterns. Crucially, AI has no real comprehension. It doesn't feel taste or emotion. It only calculates probability based on what it has observed, without any genuine understanding of why. What we're looking at here is why even the most sophisticated AI systems can make mistakes, sometimes with surprising confidence. These aren't human errors, but rather the AI confidently generating information that sounds plausible, yet is factually incorrect. We call these hallucinations. Think of it like a brilliant student who's only read half a book. When asked about the other half, they'll confidently try to fill in the blanks based on what they do know, often getting it wrong. Understanding these limits is crucial for us to use AI more effectively and reliably in our daily lives. Let's talk about AI's hallucinations. It's a super important concept. Sometimes, AI can generate completely incorrect information, yet sound entirely certain and authoritative, as if it knows everything. This isn't because it's intentionally lying. Rather, the system is designed to produce plausible-sounding responses. It's making statistical guesses based on patterns it's learned, not always verified facts. Think of it like a very confident guesser who sometimes misses the mark, even when sounding totally sure. It's a key thing to remember when using AI. What we're looking at here is why AI sometimes gives us false facts. Essentially, it's a super smart pattern recognition engine, trained on vast amounts of text. It isn't prioritizing truth in the human sense. Instead, it's operating on plausibility over truth. The AI aims to generate what sounds reasonable based on linguistic patterns, not factual accuracy. It's like a brilliant improv comedian making up convincing invented details, dates or names, that fit the narrative perfectly, even if they never actually happened. That's why we always need to verify important information from AI with trusted sources. Let's look at a crucial distinction many people miss. AI does not think or know like humans. While it can produce incredibly complex outputs, it's fundamentally different from human consciousness. AI operates by processing massive datasets, recognizing patterns, and making predictions based on statistical probabilities. It doesn't possess genuine understanding, intuition, or emotions. Think of it as an incredibly sophisticated calculator or pattern matcher, not a conscious entity. It can simulate knowledge and thought, but it truly lacks the subjective experience and intrinsic comprehension that defines human intellect. Let's talk about what AI truly is, and perhaps more importantly, what it isn't. While it can produce incredibly complex answers, AI actually lacks understanding and consciousness. It doesn't have feelings or beliefs, nor any subjective awareness of its own existence, unlike us. What appears as intelligence is mostly sophisticated complex pattern matching. Imagine a super smart librarian who can find and combine information perfectly, but doesn't understand what the books actually say. It processes vast amounts of data to predict the most probable response, but it lacks true knowledge of meaning or context, simply generating text without comprehension. Let's look at how human intelligence truly differs from AI. We humans constantly tap into our personal experiences, memories, and even emotions to make decisions, relying on common sense and our ability to understand context and nuance. It's like we're always making value-based judgments based on our lived journey. AI, on the other hand, excels at analyzing mathematical patterns and statistical probabilities. It's incredibly powerful for identifying correlations and trends to generate the most likely answers, but it operates without the kind of understanding, intuition, or emotional depth that defines our own intelligence. Let's discover why human judgment is absolutely vital for AI. While AI is a powerful tool, it's not a sentient being. It lacks our inherent understanding of right and wrong. Just like a sophisticated engine needs a wise driver, AI requires human wisdom, ethics, and critical thinking to truly reach its full potential. We provide the moral compass and the nuanced understanding to guide its actions, ensuring it operates safely and responsibly for everyone's benefit, rather than just executing tasks blindly. Time to understand that AI, while incredibly powerful, is fundamentally a tool, much like a superpowered assistant. We, as humans, must guide and verify AI outputs, especially for important decisions. That's because AI can generate plausible-sounding fiction instead of actual truth, and it lacks our deeper moral frameworks and contextual understanding. Think of it. AI can't interpret nuance or decide what's truly fair. So, our ethical oversight and human judgment are not just helpful, they are absolutely irreplaceable for ensuring AI serves us justly and accurately. Let me help you understand why responsible AI use is all about combining strengths. Imagine AI as an incredibly fast assistant, brilliant at processing vast amounts of data instantly and detecting patterns humans might miss. However, we humans bring the irreplaceable judgment, our ethical values, and the nuance needed to understand complex context. When we leverage AI's efficiency while maintaining human oversight, we achieve an optimal outcome. This collaborative approach creates significantly better results than either AI or humans could accomplish alone, making our decisions smarter and more ethical. Let's get into why powerful AI fundamentally needs us. It excels at learning data patterns but lacks true understanding or consciousness. As a fallible system, it can make confident mistakes because it doesn't truly think or reason. This highlights why human judgment, ethics, and verification are crucial for its safe use. We're truly better together, combining AI's capabilities with our essential human insight for superior results. I appreciate your dedication to learning. I hope this was enlightening and thank you for being here. Hello learners. It's wonderful to see you here. We're going to discover how generative AI or GenAI is truly revolutionizing our workplaces. Think of it as a super smart digital assistant that can understand, create, and even anticipate needs. It's all about unlocking productivity and innovation through incredibly clever intelligent automation. This means GenAI can handle many routine tasks for us, freeing up our valuable time for more strategic and creative thinking. We'll dive into its many practical workplace applications, making our daily jobs smoother and much more exciting. Let me help you understand the exciting AI revolution happening in the workplace right now. We're talking about a monumental shift. Experts project AI could deliver trillions in economic value by 2030, fundamentally reshaping how we work. What's fascinating is that nearly half of US employees are already using AI tools regularly, boosting their own productivity. Yet, here's the crucial point. Only a tiny 1% of companies truly consider themselves AI mature. This huge AI maturity gap reveals immense untapped potential for businesses to integrate AI more deeply and unlock incredible growth across every industry. Let's discover how AI writing assistants are truly transforming our professional communications. These intelligent tools instantly draft and edit emails, reports, and documents, acting like a brilliant co-pilot. They analyze tone, grammar, and context to ensure every message hits the mark, even providing real-time error detection and style consistency checks. What's amazing is they offer smart suggestions that preserve your authentic voice. It's like having a personal editor who helps you cut preparation time and dramatically improve message clarity and engagement for any audience. Let's consider how AI is truly transforming our daily work by making information manageable. Imagine those lengthy reports, research papers, or meeting transcripts you used to dread sifting through. AI tools now brilliantly condense this information into digestible summaries, capturing only the essential insights. This isn't just about condensation. It's about significant document time savings for everyone. For example, HR professionals can instantly summarize candidate profiles, freeing up hours. Ultimately, this allows leaders to access key insights at a glance, enabling faster, more informed decision-making without the overwhelm of information overload. It's like having a super efficient assistant for your brain. Let's get into how AI is truly becoming our creative partner, not just a task doer. It acts as a fantastic creative spark, helping us generate fresh perspectives and novel campaign concepts, almost like having an endlessly brainstorming colleague. This enhanced collaboration isn't just for marketing. Even finance teams can leverage AI to model complex budgeting scenarios. It truly accelerates innovation, allowing us to break through mental blocks and compress those innovation cycles from weeks down to mere days. It's about augmenting human creativity, letting us think bigger and faster. Let's unpack how AI can truly be your intelligent research partner, transforming daunting tasks into intelligent insights. Imagine needing to understand a new market trend or analyze competitor strategies. Instead of sifting through countless reports and websites for hours, an AI research assistant can rapidly gather, analyze, and synthesize information from diverse sources in minutes. It's like having a super efficient intern who not only collects comprehensive data, but instantly transforms that raw information into actionable insights. This empowers you to make confident, data-driven decisions, whether it's monitoring supplier performance or identifying emerging market shifts in real time. Let me introduce you to how AI is revolutionizing our daily work, making us incredibly more productive. Think of smart scheduling, where AI takes over meeting coordination and calendar optimization, even setting intelligent reminders. Then there's task automation, where those mundane, routine administrative tasks like data entry or form processing just run automatically in the background. This frees up significant capacity, allowing us to shift our focus to more high-value strategic activities. It's genuinely about achieving real-time savings, potentially giving you back 20% of your day by handling the busy work. Let's examine how AI is truly transforming human resources. It's not just about automating tasks, it's empowering HR teams to focus on what matters most, building meaningful connections. Imagine intelligent recruitment where AI quickly screens resumes and matches candidates, dramatically accelerating hiring timelines. This frees up valuable time. Beyond hiring, AI crafts personalized development plans for employees, adapting to individual needs, and provides insights to enhance engagement, proactively addressing satisfaction challenges. Ultimately, AI helps HR create exceptional employee experiences by shifting their focus to human connection. What we're looking at here is how AI is fundamentally reshaping finance. It automates repetitive tasks like invoice processing and expense management with unprecedented accuracy, a real time saver. Then, advanced fraud detection algorithms provide crucial risk intelligence by identifying suspicious patterns in real-time transactions. AI also generates accurate financial projections through predictive forecasting, analyzing historical data and market conditions. Finally, it ensures compliance excellence, enabling faster, more accurate financial close cycles with automated checks. This truly transforms financial operations, making them smarter and far more efficient. What we're looking at here is how AI is truly revolutionizing marketing, making it incredibly precise and powerful. Imagine having a smart assistant that refines targeting and bidding strategies in real time, ensuring your messages always reach the right people. It can instantly generate tailored messaging for every customer segment, so each person feels spoken to directly. Plus, with intelligent chatbots providing 24/7 customer engagement and even understanding sentiment, businesses see a significant ROI enhancement. It's about working smarter, not harder, leveraging AI for deeper connections and better results. Time to understand how AI is truly revolutionizing operations. Imagine your business as a complex, interconnected system. AI helps optimize every single part. For example, it uses sophisticated predictive models to accurately forecast demand, so you're never caught off guard. Then, with real-time monitoring, leaders can track KPIs, catching issues before they cause costly downtime. My favorite insight is predictive maintenance. It tells us precisely when equipment needs attention, preventing failures entirely. It's about achieving genuine operational excellence by being proactive, not reactive. Let me help you understand that truly overcoming barriers to AI adoption boils down to a few core strategies. It starts with having genuine leadership champions who visibly support initiatives, boosting employee confidence significantly. Next, comprehensive training is non-negotiable. When people receive adequate education, they actually use the tools much more frequently. We also need to provide genuinely accessible tools that integrate smoothly into existing workflows, because friction kills adoption. And crucially, establishing clear governance around data privacy and ethical use builds the trust essential to unlock AI's full potential. Time to understand how integrating GenAI can truly transform an organization. Imagine a company facing productivity plateaus and competitive pressure. By bringing in AI assistants across all departments, from customer service to engineering, with strong leadership buy-in, they saw incredible results. Productivity increased significantly, and innovation cycles accelerated dramatically. What's really cool is how employees reported higher job satisfaction because repetitive tasks were reduced. AI didn't replace people, it amplified their talents, freeing them for creative problem-solving and strategic thinking, giving the firm a sustainable competitive advantage. Let's look at how AI isn't here to replace us, but to actually make us better. Think of it as a powerful co-pilot that amplifies our human creativity, judgment, and decision-making. Businesses that embrace this human plus AI strategic investment are gaining a real competitive edge, while others risk falling behind. This isn't just a trend. The AI revolution isn't coming. It's already here. We need to foster a culture of continuous evolution, starting small, learning, and adapting to these exciting new capabilities to unlock transformative growth and truly empower our workforce. Let's explore the concept of how artificial intelligence is truly reshaping our workplaces. Imagine AI as a powerful assistant, not just solving everyday challenges, but also unlocking exciting new opportunities. It's about transforming how we work, helping businesses gain sustainable competitive advantages by making operations smarter. The future of work isn't just automated. It's intelligent, deeply human-centered, and yes, powered by AI, allowing us to focus on creativity. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this session was helpful and informative for your learning journey. Greetings, everyone. I'm excited to teach you something new today. Let's explore how to use generative AI effectively. Imagine these AI tools as your new super assistants, ready to transform your daily work. By mastering a few essential skills, you can truly enhance your productivity, unlock your creativity, and even improve your decision-making. It's about learning to work with AI, not just using it to become more efficient and innovative in everything you do. Time to understand why asking better questions is absolutely crucial when working with AI. GenAI. It really boils down to the art of prompting. Think of it like giving directions to a super smart assistant. Vague instructions lead to generic outcomes. But if you articulate your needs precisely, providing context and specifying details, the AI can then generate truly valuable and targeted responses. Mastering this art empowers you to unlock its full, incredible potential, making the technology work for you. Let's examine why prompts are so crucial for generative AI. Think of it like giving directions to a very capable new employee. A vague request like "tell me about AI" will only get you generic information. However, a well-crafted, detailed prompt, such as "explain AI's benefits for small businesses," tailored for a non-technical audience in 200 words, unlocks truly valuable, specific insights. The quality of the AI's output depends directly on your prompt's clarity and detail. To consistently get the best results, we can rely on structured approaches like the CLEAR framework, ensuring our prompts are concise, logical, explicit, adaptive, and reflective, which guarantees consistent quality. Let's break down crafting truly effective AI prompts. First, always be specific. Avoid vague questions and define exactly what you need. Think of it like giving someone precise instructions, not just a suggestion. Next, provide context, including your desired format, tone, audience, and any constraints. This helps the AI understand the bigger picture, like setting the stage for a play. Don't be afraid to experiment and adapt your approach based on the AI's responses, because iteration truly leads to mastery. Finally, try role-playing, framing your requests with roles like act as a seasoned historian. It's all about guiding the AI to deliver exactly what you're looking for. Time to understand the AI prompt refinement cycle, which is essentially how we get the best out of these tools. You craft an initial prompt, your first best guess at what you want the AI to do. Then you receive AI output, checking what it gave you. This is where you evaluate results, looking for any gaps, inaccuracies, or anything that isn't quite right. Think of it like editing your own work. Based on that evaluation, you refine and repeat, adjusting your prompt to be clearer, more specific, or different, until you get exactly what you need. It's a continuous learning loop. Let me explain how we truly get great results from AI. It's rarely a perfect outcome on the first try. Instead, think of it more like sculpting. You start with a general idea, get an initial output, and then you begin iterating. This means you provide clear feedback, adjust your prompts, and ask the AI to try again. Each cycle allows you to progressively make the output better, refining it until it perfectly matches what you envisioned. It's a dynamic back and forth, much like a conversation where you patiently guide the AI closer to your desired outcome. Let me guide you through why iteration is absolutely key when working with AI. Think of it this way: that first response you get, it's almost never perfect. To achieve true relevance, accuracy, and align with your specific needs, you'll want to engage in a process of refinement. The AI is your collaborative partner, not a one-shot oracle that magically understands every nuance. Strategic follow-up prompts are essential. They allow you to clarify details, expand on promising angles, and ultimately teach the AI exactly what you're looking for, making each interaction a learning experience for both of you. Let me walk you through how I truly get the most out of AI. It's not about the first answer, but the refinement. I always start by asking for alternatives, pushing it for different perspectives or approaches, like getting 3 recipe ideas instead of just 1. Then, I'll adjust length and detail, perhaps requesting make this more concise, or elaborate on point 2. I also love to explore what-if scenarios to unlock creative ideas. Crucially, though, it's about learning to blend AI with your expertise. Your own judgment is what transforms good AI output into something genuinely brilliant and truly useful. Let me guide you through the crucial process of verifying and validating results from AI, especially GenAI. Think of it like a chef preparing a dish. Verification is ensuring they followed the recipe correctly, using the right ingredients and steps. But validation asks, does it actually taste good and meet the diner's expectations? With GenAI, we need to check if the AI is doing what we ask verification, and more importantly, if the output is truly useful, accurate, and fit for its real-world purpose validation. This human oversight is absolutely essential to trust the AI's output, preventing those infamous hallucinations and ensuring quality. Let's break down a crucial limitation of AI: its tendency to hallucinate. This isn't about seeing things. It's when AI can confidently generate inaccurate or completely fabricated information. Imagine asking for a fact and it just invents a believable but false answer. These errors can be subtle and convincing, making them particularly dangerous. That's why it's super important to always cross-check facts with trusted sources, especially for critical areas like technical, legal, or medical information. Blindly trusting AI carries real-world risks, like security vulnerabilities in code, so always review and test carefully. Let me show you how to really trust the information you get, especially with AI. It's like being a detective. First, always use multiple sources to confirm key facts, never just one. Think of it as getting several opinions. For really critical tasks, don't shy away from employing domain experts, people who truly know their stuff, alongside any AI help. Most importantly, maintain healthy skepticism. If something seems too perfect or lacks proper sourcing, question it. And absolutely verify before publishing anything generated by AI. Always do your homework before sharing. Let me explain, understanding AI isn't just about knowing its capabilities, but crucially, knowing when not to use it. Think of it like a skilled craftsman knowing when a power tool is perfect, and when hand tools with their nuanced control and personal touch are essential. For tasks requiring deep human empathy, ethical judgment, or truly novel creative leaps, a human touch often remains irreplaceable. Blindly applying AI everywhere can lead to missed opportunities for genuine connection, or even create unforeseen problems. It's about recognizing AI's boundaries and valuing human strengths. Let me introduce you to those crucial times when generative AI simply isn't the right tool. You see, it's vital to avoid using it with sensitive data, like personal medical records or confidential business plans, where proper safeguards are paramount. Furthermore, for tasks demanding deep expertise or nuanced professional judgment, think of a surgeon diagnosing a complex case. Human experience remains irreplaceable. We also need to be wary of ethical and legal issues, such as copyright concerns or serious liability, where our human oversight is absolutely essential. Finally, anything requiring genuine empathy, emotional intelligence, or truly original creativity needs that critical human connection. Here's an interesting topic. Responsible AI use means seeing AI as a powerful partner, not a replacement for our unique human insight and judgment. It's like having an incredible assistant that augments your capabilities, but you remain in charge, always following policies and industry standards. We need to be transparent about AI's involvement and critically examine its outputs for potential biases. The aim isn't just to use AI, but to enhance your expertise with AI capabilities, building a true partnership that's far more powerful than either could achieve alone. Let's discover how mastering generative AI for smarter workflows boils down to a few key strategies. It begins with effective prompting, clear, specific questions providing context. Then, apply iterative refinement, continuously improving through feedback. Crucially, practice responsible use, respecting AI's ethical limits. Finally, ensure rigorous validation through thorough fact-checking and quality assurance. Embracing these core principles will truly elevate your productivity and creativity. I'm grateful for your presence today. I hope you've gained some valuable insights and thank you for listening. Greetings, everyone. I'm excited to teach you something new today. Let's explore why ethical and responsible AI is so crucial in our rapidly changing world. As artificial intelligence transforms industries, focusing on responsible AI practices isn't just a nice-to-have, it's an imperative. Think of it like building a strong foundation for a house. By prioritizing ethics, organizations build lasting trust with users, effectively mitigate risks, and gain a sustainable competitive advantage. It's essential for navigating today's increasingly regulated landscape and ensuring AI benefits everyone safely. Let's get into why ethical AI matters so much right now. Honestly, it's a pivotal moment because artificial intelligence decisions already affect billions of lives daily, shaping everything from job applications to healthcare access. The choices we make today about AI ethics aren't just for now. They are literally shaping the technology landscape for generations to come. If we don't embed fairness and responsibility at AI's core, we risk building a future where biases could be amplified on a massive scale. It's a huge, immediate responsibility. Let's examine AI's incredible, almost explosive growth and how it's fundamentally reshaping nearly all our interactions. While it offers immense potential, this widespread influence brings critical vulnerabilities. We're seeing ethical lapses leading to cascading risks, like sensitive privacy breaches or algorithmic bias that can actually perpetuate discrimination, much like the famous Amazon recruiting tool example. If unchecked, these issues rapidly erode public trust. That's why establishing robust ethical frameworks for AI development and deployment is so urgent. Here's an interesting topic. Every AI system dealing with personal data offers tremendous opportunity, but also carries significant responsibility. Consumers are genuinely worried about how companies use their information in AI, right? So organizations are constantly balancing innovation with absolutely ironclad protection of individual privacy rights. It's not just a moral obligation. Neglecting this balance can lead to huge financial hits, like the multi-million-dollar average cost of a data breach. Ultimately, it's about earning and maintaining trust. Let me help you understand why data privacy and confidentiality are so crucial when it comes to AI. Imagine your most personal information, like health records or financial details, being handled by a powerful AI. To truly protect this sensitive data, we need what I call a three-legged stool approach. First, there are robust technical safeguards, like encryption, acting as strong digital locks. Second, transparent policies clearly outline how AI systems use your information. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, there must be an unwavering organizational commitment to privacy principles, meaning everyone values protecting your personal information. It's about building trust, truly. Let's talk about protecting our personal data when AI systems are at play. It's crucial because these systems process vast quantities of personal data, which creates substantial risks if not properly managed. We can use smart techniques, like Apple's differential privacy, which adds mathematical noise to data. This ensures we can still extract valuable analytics while protecting individual user identities. Beyond these proven protection models, it's vital to ensure regulatory compliance like GDPR, implement technical safeguards such as end-to-end encryption, and always maintain transparent policies. Regular ongoing training also helps everyone understand their responsibilities. Let's discover how tricky AI can be when it comes to fairness. Algorithmic bias represents one of AI's most insidious challenges because it doesn't just make mistakes. It can actually perpetuate historical discrimination. Imagine an AI system learning from flawed past data. It might unknowingly amplify existing societal prejudices, but at unprecedented scale and speed, impacting countless lives instantly. It's like giving our old biases a super powerful megaphone. To truly address this, we need active, rigorous testing and oversight to build AI that's fair and equitable for everyone. Let me walk you through how we tackle algorithmic bias. It really stems from AI systems simply learning our human history, which unfortunately includes all sorts of racial or gender-based biases embedded in the data they're trained on. Without intervention, these systems just amplify existing inequalities, like a distorted mirror. That's why tools exist to detect, measure, and mitigate this bias. But honestly, the real secret sauce is human oversight. Diverse teams act as a critical human in the loop, ensuring AI serves everyone fairly, catching those crucial blind spots the tech alone might miss. Let's unpack how crucial transparency and accountability are for AI. Essentially, transparency means we need to demystify AI decision-making processes. Think of it like a GPS. You want to know why it chose a certain route, not just the destination. And accountability? That's about establishing clear lines of responsibility for algorithmic outcomes. If an AI makes a critical error, we need to know who's ultimately responsible. It's never truly the machine, but the people behind its design and deployment. Together, these build the essential trust we need for AI to thrive. Let's consider the challenge of AI's black box nature. When these systems make decisions affecting people's lives, like loan approvals or medical diagnoses, stakeholders truly deserve to understand the reasoning behind those outcomes. That's where explainable AI (XAI) steps in, providing interpretable insights that help us balance model complexity with human comprehension. But transparency goes deeper than just explaining algorithms. It demands strong governance frameworks and documented oversight. We need clear organizational accountability structures to ensure responsible AI use at every level, much like having a human review before publication. Let's break down comprehensive AI policies. Think of them as the company's clear playbook for using artificial intelligence systems responsibly. They're designed to take those big, sometimes abstract, ethical principles we talk about, like fairness or privacy, and turn them into really practical, actionable guidelines. This means every employee knows exactly what steps to follow in their daily work with AI. It's not just theory, it's about making sure everyone is on the same page, acting ethically and effectively, day in and day out. Let's get into what it really takes to establish ethical AI. It's crucial to first define clear policies, essentially setting up comprehensive guidelines so everyone understands the responsible use and prohibited applications. Then, implementing robust oversight mechanisms, perhaps with human editors reviewing AI output, becomes your essential quality control, catching errors before they go live. We also need public disclosure, transparently communicating when and how AI is used, which truly builds stakeholder confidence. Finally, protecting sensitive data with strong internal safeguards is non-negotiable, ensuring clear protocols govern data access and prevent misuse. Time to understand that navigating the AI regulatory landscape is becoming increasingly crucial. It's a bit like sailing in uncharted, constantly changing waters. The rules are complex and evolving worldwide. We can't just react after the fact. Instead, we need to adopt proactive compliance strategies, meaning we plan ahead and anticipate shifts. This involves continuous monitoring of legal developments globally. Much like a seasoned captain always keeps an eye on the horizon for new currents and weather patterns. It's about staying ahead, not just catching up, to ensure ethical and legal operation. Let me guide you through the crucial landscape of AI regulation. It's not just about building smart tech. We have mandatory compliance rules, especially when AI handles personal data. Much like GDPR protects privacy, ignoring these can lead to substantial fines. That's why continuous auditing is so important. Think of it as regular checkups to catch issues early, demonstrating due diligence. Globally, standards are emerging, emphasizing AI systems be auditable and traceable. This means organizations need an adaptive strategy, staying current as the legal environment shifts rapidly across jurisdictions. It's like navigating a river where the currents are always changing, demanding constant vigilance. Let me walk you through why building truly responsible AI isn't just a nice idea, but absolutely essential for our future. It's about embedding core principles like fairness, transparency, and accountability throughout the entire AI lifecycle, right from design. We also need to foster an oversight culture where we're continuously monitoring and questioning these systems, always seeking improvement. By doing this and making sure we collaborate for impact, we can truly harness AI's transformative power responsibly, building public trust and gaining competitive advantages that serve humanity's highest aspirations. That brings us to the end of our session. Thank you for your wonderful attention, and I hope this was helpful. Greetings, everyone. I'm excited to teach you something new today. Let's explore Human-3 AI collaboration. This exciting idea focuses on how humans and artificial intelligence can truly work together. It's about combining our unique human strengths, like creativity and critical thinking, with AI's incredible speed and data processing power. The goal? To create unprecedented value, innovation, and meaningful progress in the modern workplace. Think of it as a dynamic partnership, unlocking possibilities we couldn't achieve alone. It's about building a smarter, more productive future, hand in hand. Let's get into what AI really means for us. Forget the idea of it being a total replacement. That's often where the anxiety comes from. Think of AI more like a co-pilot. Just as a human pilot still steers the plane and makes all the critical decisions, AI serves as your invaluable assistant. It handles the heavy lifting of data analysis, repetitive tasks, or brainstorming initial ideas, freeing you up. It's about augmenting your skills, making you more productive and creative, not taking over your job entirely. Let me introduce you to a really powerful idea. Why AI and humans should collaborate, not replace each other. AI excels at repetitive, data-heavy tasks with unmatched precision and speed, able to process vast amounts of information in moments. But it's us humans who bring creativity, moral reasoning, and critical thinking to complex problems. When we combine AI's computational power with our human wisdom, we achieve true synergy. Together, they achieve outcomes neither could accomplish alone, leading to smarter, more innovative solutions that leverage the best of both worlds. Let me walk you through why the whole humans versus machines idea really misses the mark. The future of work isn't about AI replacing us. It's about humans with machines, forming a powerful partnership. Think of it like a dynamic duo. We bring our unique creativity, intuition, and critical thinking, while AI handles rapid data processing and pattern recognition. By leveraging each other's unique capabilities, we truly become stronger together, tackling problems that were previously impossible and achieving far more than either could alone. Let me introduce you to a powerful idea. Understanding where AI truly shines versus where we humans excel. AI is fantastic for tasks like pattern recognition across massive datasets, high-speed data processing, and consistent execution without fatigue. Think of it as a super efficient number cruncher, but where AI falls short, humans step in. We're uniquely good at navigating ambiguous, novel situations, applying empathy and emotional nuance, and making ethical judgments. For instance, AI might identify a medical anomaly, but only a human doctor can interpret those findings within the patient's unique context to craft a compassionate plan. Let's consider AI GenAI and the crucial balance of building trust without over-reliance. We want to embrace the incredible capabilities of generative AI, seeing it as a powerful, intelligent assistant. However, true understanding means recognizing its limitations. It's like trusting a brilliant coworker. You value their input immensely, but you still apply your own critical thinking and verify key details before fully committing. This approach prevents us from blindly accepting outputs, ensuring we maintain human oversight and truly leverage AI responsibly rather than becoming overly dependent. Let me walk you through the fascinating challenge of human AI trust. It's truly dynamic, evolving constantly with every interaction, much like a developing relationship. The tricky part is avoiding two extremes. Overtrust, where we fall into automation bias and blindly accept AI recommendations without critical evaluation, potentially causing costly errors. On the flip side is undertrust, where we don't leverage AI's full capabilities, leaving valuable insights unused and limiting efficiency. That's why active trust management is so important, helping us calibrate our reliance effectively, often guided by structured approaches like the Sci-Fi framework. Let me walk you through how we genuinely build trust when collaborating with AI. First off, we always keep humans in the loop, meaning AI might recommend, but people ultimately decide on critical outcomes. Transparency is also crucial. We prioritize explaining why AI suggests something, so its decision-making process isn't a mystery. Our systems are also designed for adaptability, allowing them to learn and evolve from feedback. Most importantly, we configure AI to perfectly align with our human values, reflecting our ethical standards and culture, ensuring technology amplifies what matters most to us. Let's examine how transparency is crucial for truly trusting AI. When we can actually see and understand how an AI reaches its conclusions, it's like a chef showing you the recipe rather than just serving a dish. This insight helps us develop calibrated confidence, moving past blind acceptance or unwarranted skepticism. Explainable AI transforms those opaque, black box algorithms into understandable reasoning partners. This empowers us to validate outputs, identify limitations, and ultimately make informed decisions about when and how much to trust its recommendations. Let's discover how we can truly thrive alongside artificial intelligence, not just coexist. It's all about developing AI-augmented human skills, meaning we learn to leverage AI as a partner. Imagine AI as a super-efficient assistant that handles the tedious parts, freeing us to sharpen our unique human strengths like critical thinking, creativity, and empathy. By collaborating with AI, we can enhance our capabilities, solve complex problems faster, and innovate in ways previously impossible. This powerful synergy allows us to push boundaries and become more impactful in everything we do. Let me walk you through mastering human-AI collaboration skills. It truly starts with understanding AI's capabilities and limitations. Knowing when to leverage its strengths and when your invaluable human judgment is essential. Then, you absolutely need to cultivate critical thinking. That means interpreting AI outputs skeptically, questioning anomalies, and actively validating recommendations to catch errors. Don't forget emotional intelligence, which helps maintain authentic human connection and empathy in an increasingly automated world. Finally, continuous learning is non-negotiable. As AI evolves, we must proactively adapt our skills and stay current to genuinely thrive. Now, let's dive into some incredible ways AI is transforming collaboration across industries. We're seeing support teams treat AI agents as genuine teammates, which isn't just a mind shift. It actually boosts productivity significantly and even reduces burnout. It's about human-AI synergy. In healthcare, medical professionals are training to translate AI diagnostic insights into compassionate, patient-centered communication, leading to better patient satisfaction. Crucially, financial firms are running regular simulations and audits to detect algorithmic bias, ensuring these powerful systems align with ethical standards and regulatory requirements. It's truly about smart, responsible integration. Let's get into what human-AI synergy truly means for the path forward. It's essentially a powerful partnership, not a replacement strategy. Imagine it as a dynamic duo. AI excels at crunching vast data and recognizing patterns at lightning speed, while we humans bring our unique creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence to the table. This collaboration allows us to achieve far more together than either could individually, making our work smarter and our decisions more impactful. It's about augmenting human potential, not diminishing it. Let's discover how to truly make human-AI collaboration shine. First, it's crucial to create psychological safety, encouraging teams to explore AI tools and learn from failures without fear. We should also embed collaboration training directly into workflows, making learning continuous and immediately applicable. Remember to celebrate small wins. Those modest successes build confidence and momentum. Ultimately, the goal is to empower, don't replace humans. AI should augment our capabilities, enhancing job quality and expanding roles, never diminishing them. Let me help you understand that the future of work increasingly hinges on human-AI collaboration. By 2028, mastering these skills will become a fundamental competency for most professionals. We're seeing organizations truly embrace this partnership, achieving 4 times faster innovation cycles than traditional methods. Moreover, teams effectively collaborating with AI report 5 times higher engagement and satisfaction, feeling a greater sense of meaningful contribution. So think of AI as your intelligent co-pilot, not a competitor, helping you unlock unprecedented creativity and productivity. The key is how quickly we all master this essential partnership. I appreciate your dedication to learning. I hope this was enlightening and thank you for being here. Hello learners. It's wonderful to see you here. We're going to discover how to truly thrive in our rapidly evolving, AI-driven work environment. The transformation of work is happening now, and understanding it isn't just about watching changes unfold. It's about actively adapting. We'll explore practical ways to prepare for tomorrow's workplace today, ensuring you're not just ready for the future, but confidently shaping your place within it. It's about learning to collaborate with AI, not compete with it, making you an invaluable asset. Let me walk you through what the AI revolution truly means for the workplace. Essentially, it's about how artificial intelligence is transforming nearly every job, not just replacing people but fundamentally changing how we work. Think of AI as a brilliant co-pilot, taking over repetitive, mundane tasks so we can focus on creative problem-solving and critical thinking. It boosts efficiency immensely and creates exciting new opportunities, pushing us to develop new skills to truly thrive alongside these intelligent systems. It's a remarkable evolution. Let's unpack why AI is truly the new industrial revolution we're experiencing. McKinsey projects an incredible $4.4 trillion in global productivity growth by 2030, fundamentally reshaping how businesses operate and compete. What's fascinating is AI adoption is accelerating at unprecedented speed, outpacing even the internet revolution of 40 years ago. This isn't distant future tech, it's happening now. The exciting part? Only 1% of companies consider themselves mature in AI integration, revealing massive opportunity for those ready to embrace this transformative potential and lead the charge. Let's get into how AI is fundamentally shifting human work. It's not about machines replacing us entirely. Rather, AI is busy automating routine tasks, which frees us up for much more impactful contributions. Think of it like having an incredibly smart co-pilot that truly augments human capabilities. This pushes our focus toward higher value activities like deep creativity, strategic problem solving, and seamless collaboration with intelligent machines. The demand for AI fluency has soared, making adaptability and understanding how to effectively partner with these systems absolutely essential for everyone in the modern workforce. Let's break down this common misconception. The future of work isn't about humans versus machines. Honestly, it's far more productive to see it as humans and machines working together. Think of AI as your super efficient co-pilot, excellent at data processing and recognizing complex patterns in vast amounts of information. But where we truly shine is with our unique human touch. Things like empathy, creativity, and strategic judgment. When we combine these strengths, we create outcomes neither could achieve alone. It's a powerful partnership, amplifying our abilities to solve problems and innovate. Let me help you understand something important about AI adoption. We're often seeing a silicon ceiling, where frontline employees have significantly less access to AI tools compared to managers. It's an unequal divide that can hinder progress. However, this doesn't have to be the case. When leaders actively champion these tools and provide strong leadership support, adoption rates improve dramatically. Crucially, adequate training makes a huge difference. Employees receiving 5+ hours of AI training show dramatically higher regular usage rates, truly unlocking their potential. What we're looking at here is the fundamental idea that AI and GenAI aren't static creations. They're dynamic learners. Think of it like a truly brilliant student who never graduates, always absorbing new information. For these systems to remain relevant and effective, they absolutely must embrace lifelong learning. This means continuously updating their knowledge, adapting to new patterns, and evolving over time, just as we humans do. Otherwise, they quickly become outdated and miss out on crucial, ongoing developments, much like trying to navigate today's world with yesterday's map. Time to understand what's really happening in today's job market. Many workers, myself included, feel intense pressure to adopt AI tools. It's a current reality where you risk being left behind if you don't. This often means we need to either reskill, which is like learning entirely new roles, or upskill, enhancing our current skills with new capabilities. Unfortunately, workforce development in the US is significantly underfunded, creating a tough environment. We're falling behind other nations in this crucial investment, making it harder for individuals to adapt. What we're looking at here is a critical shift in how we approach new challenges, especially with AI. On one side, a fixed mindset makes us say, "I can't learn this technology," or fear AI will replace jobs. But the growth mindset is totally different. It embraces challenges, seeing them as opportunities to grow. Instead of "I'm too old to adapt," you'd think, "Adaptation is part of my career." This perspective, emphasizing curiosity and resilience, helps us see AI as something to enhance our capabilities, not threaten them. It's about persisting through setbacks to really thrive. Let's discover the essential strategies for thriving in the age of AI and GenAI. These powerful technologies are rapidly transforming our workplaces. Upskilling means boosting your current abilities by integrating AI tools, like a designer learning AI art prompts to enhance their creativity. On the other hand, reskilling involves acquiring entirely new competencies for different roles, perhaps moving from a repetitive task to managing AI systems. It's about adapting our skill sets to stay relevant and even get ahead in this exciting new landscape. Let me guide you through the essential AI skills we need now. First, truly mastering AI fluency means effectively managing and leveraging AI tools to enhance your workflow and decision-making, almost like learning to speak a new, powerful language. Then there's data literacy, which is all about interpreting those AI-generated insights and understanding metrics to make truly informed choices, much like a seasoned detective. Don't forget digital collaboration, working seamlessly across AI platforms and human teams, treating intelligent systems as genuine partners. And here's the kicker. Our uniquely human skills like critical thinking and creativity aren't replaced. AI simply amplifies them, allowing us to solve problems and innovate in incredible new ways. Let's explore the concept of effectively upskilling, especially in areas like AI. It's not just about any training. You want quality programs with hands-on coaching and in-person support. These truly deliver better outcomes. Then, make learning manageable by leveraging micro-learning platforms that adapt to your schedule. But here's the kicker. Nothing beats building real experience. Get involved in cross-functional projects where you can integrate AI tools, because real-world application accelerates learning and builds practical expertise much faster than just theory. It's about doing, not just knowing. Let's explore the concept of staying informed as AI evolves. It's truly fascinating how quickly artificial intelligence is progressing, isn't it? Think of AI like a rapidly growing ecosystem. New species of tools and applications emerge almost daily. To avoid being left behind or misunderstanding its immense potential, we absolutely must commit to continuous learning. Keeping up with these new developments, from ethical implications to practical uses, helps us navigate this ever-changing landscape effectively. It's about being proactive, not reactive, in a world increasingly shaped by smart machines. Let's discover how to truly stay ahead in today's rapid AI landscape. It's much like navigating a dynamic environment. You need reliable insights and a proactive approach. First, always follow trusted sources for research-backed AI analysis and workforce trends. Think of them as your expert compass. Then, actively join professional communities to share experiences and learn real-time updates from peers. They're your collaborative network. Most importantly, assess your skills regularly, perhaps quarterly, ensuring your development aligns with emerging AI trends and market demands. This continuous engagement ensures you remain relevant and competitive. Let's discover how AI is truly a game-changer for our futures. While it's certainly reshaping work as we know it, remember it's also creating unprecedented opportunities and entirely new roles. To thrive in this evolving landscape, continuous education and proactive upskilling are non-negotiable. They're core elements of your career strategy. We need to adapt boldly, seeing AI as a powerful partnership, not competition. Be ready to lead with confidence and continuous growth. That concludes our session for today. Thank you for your focus, and I hope this was beneficial for you. Hello and welcome. It's a pleasure to guide you through this material. We'll be focusing on the incredible world of AI and generative AI. While this technology holds immense transformative power, it's crucial we also understand its inherent risks and limitations. Think of it like a powerful new tool. We need best practices to ensure its responsible use, navigating challenges related to accuracy, security, and governance. My goal is to help you confidently harness AI while being aware of these critical considerations, ensuring safe and effective implementation. Let's consider generative AI, a truly powerful tool that stands right at the intersection of extraordinary opportunity and significant risk. On one hand, it holds immense promise, offering incredible potential to revolutionize how we work and create, unlocking new efficiencies and ideas. But we can't ignore the inherent peril. There are real pitfalls, like ethical dilemmas or issues with accuracy, that organizations must carefully navigate. Truly understanding both its remarkable upsides and potential downsides is absolutely critical to success as more and more rush to adopt these systems. Let's consider generative AI, which I often see as a true double-edged sword. It absolutely powers unprecedented breakthroughs, whether in boosting creativity, automating tasks, or refining decision-making, essentially helping organizations accelerate innovation and unlock new possibilities. However, the peril is equally significant. We're facing unprecedented risks in areas like accuracy, security, and governance. The challenge is that its speed of adoption has outpaced our ability to fully understand and mitigate these emerging complexities. Now let's dive into a critical concern with AI: its inaccuracy and reliability. We've all seen examples where AI models confidently produce false or biased outputs, famously known as AI hallucinations. What makes this so tricky is that these mistakes often appear completely authoritative and convincing, making them incredibly difficult to detect. This isn't just theoretical. It has significant real-world impact, from leading to poor decisions to causing serious issues like factual errors in important documents. We need to be vigilant. Let me help you understand that while AI is incredibly powerful, it also introduces a whole new landscape of cyber threats we need to be aware of. For instance, employees might accidentally expose sensitive information by pasting it into public AI tools, which then logs and stores that data, a classic data leakage vulnerability. Then, there are clever prompt injection attacks where sophisticated attackers manipulate AI outputs to bypass safety. We also worry about infrastructure vulnerabilities, like critical flaws exposing entire AI systems, and the rise of shadow AI, unauthorized tools creating dangerous blind spots without security oversight. It's a complex, evolving frontier. Let's discover the truly challenging aspect of AI systems: the invisible threats lurking within them. Picture a subtle, silent problem, like a slow leak behind a wall. You don't notice it until the damage is significant. These are the most dangerous security risks because you often can't see them operating until it's too late, leading to unexpected system failures or unintended consequences. It teaches us the importance of constantly looking beyond the surface, anticipating hidden vulnerabilities before they impact performance. Here's an interesting topic. We often hear about AI's amazing potential, but it's crucial to understand the over-automation pitfalls when AI runs amok. For instance, relying too much on automated systems can actually erode our human judgment, making us less critical thinkers. We also face transparency failures because automated decisions often lack clear explanations, risking trust. Plus, AI can even perpetuate bias if not carefully reviewed, amplifying discrimination embedded in its training data. And let's not forget, regulatory lag means laws struggle to keep up with AI's rapid adoption, creating real accountability gaps. Let's consider how to truly manage the risks associated with AI, ensuring we can use it safely and effectively. It's not enough to just hope for the best. Effective risk management requires a comprehensive approach. This means we need strong governance to set the rules, robust security controls to protect our systems from misuse, and vital human oversight, so people can monitor and intervene when necessary. Crucially, we also need ethical frameworks to guide responsible development and deployment. By integrating these practices, organizations can confidently harness AI's power while protecting against its dangers. Let's unpack how we build truly trustworthy AI, which really hinges on two big ideas: governance and transparency. First, it's crucial to develop clear guidelines, creating specific AI usage policies tailored to your industry context and risk profile, because generic rules just won't cut it. Then, implement robust governance frameworks, perhaps like the NIST AI Risk Management Framework, to proactively manage risks. Critically, always ensure transparency. Disclose AI involvement in decisions and explain the logic behind AI-driven outcomes to users in understandable terms. It's all about building that deep foundation of trust. Let me show you how we truly protect AI systems. Think of it like a meticulous chef preparing a meal. First, we have strict access controls using multi-factor authentication so we never assume trust, always verify who's getting in. We also use continuous monitoring to spot any anomalies or sneaky prompt injection attempts. It's crucial to maintain an AI bill of materials, AI BOM, giving us complete visibility into every ingredient. And just like a chef vets suppliers, supply chain security means thoroughly vetting all third-party components to keep everything robust and secure. Let's get into why human oversight is such a critical safety net for AI. It's like teaching someone to drive. You can't just hand over the keys. First, we need comprehensive, ongoing training for everyone on AI risks and responsible use practices, not just a one-time event. Then it's crucial to have mandatory human review for all high-risk AI outputs. Think sensitive decisions or customer-facing communications, because humans add that vital common sense. And finally, dedicated incident response plans are essential, so we know exactly what to do if an AI security incident occurs. It's all about proactive safety. Time to understand that deploying AI isn't a free-for-all. It demands careful stewardship. We absolutely must conduct regular auditing of our models, like a quality control check, to detect bias and ensure fairness, adhering strictly to regulations. We also set explicit boundaries, prohibiting AI for any illegal activities or harm. Think of it as clear ethical guardrails. Plus, rigorous privacy protection is paramount. Things like data consent are non-negotiable. Remember, compliance is not optional. Being proactive now prevents far costlier issues later. What we're looking at here is the absolute necessity of humans and AI working together for truly safe and effective innovation. Think of it like a dynamic duo. AI provides incredible machine intelligence, crunching data and identifying patterns at speeds we can only dream of. But without human wisdom or judgment and critically ethical oversight, AI can easily veer off course. Neither can succeed alone. The best outcomes always emerge when we combine AI's raw power with our nuanced understanding and moral compass, ensuring technology serves us responsibly. Let's explore the concept of balancing innovation with responsibility. In today's rapidly evolving AI era, organizations truly thrive not just by inventing new things, but by pairing that courage for innovation with unwavering commitment to safety, ethics, and transparency. Think of it like designing a fantastic new bridge. You need the courage to push engineering limits, but also the caution to ensure it's safe and built responsibly. Success comes from those who embrace groundbreaking ideas while always prioritizing accountability and a clear, ethical path forward. Let's discover how to truly embrace AI. While its transformative power is immense, Unlocking its full potential safely requires a balanced strategy. We need strong governance and robust security working hand in hand with human judgment. This ensures proactive risk management and builds transparency and trust. Ultimately, organizations that innovate responsibly, with wisdom and continuous vigilance, will thrive. Thank you for your engagement today. I hope this information serves you well, and thank you for participating. Hello learners! It's wonderful to see you here. We're going to discover how AI and generative AI can be incredibly powerful tools, almost like having a smart assistant to help with your daily tasks. The main idea is learning to use these amazing AI tools responsibly, safely, and effectively, especially within your workplace. Think of it as mastering a new skill that boosts productivity, but also requires us to understand best practices. It's a practical guide to getting started with confidence and intelligence. Let's look at why responsible AI use is absolutely critical. While these tools can dramatically enhance our productivity and creativity, truly opening new possibilities for innovation, there's a flip side. Without proper safeguards, we face significant risks like data leaks, algorithmic bias, and even misinformation. That's precisely why responsible use is so important. It protects sensitive information, maintains the crucial trust of users and stakeholders, and ultimately ensures we achieve high-quality, reliable outcomes. It's about unlocking AI's power while preventing harm, just as leading organizations wisely establish clear guidelines. Time to understand why using only approved AI tools is absolutely crucial for our work. Think of it like using a secure, vetted pipeline for sensitive information instead of just any open connection on the internet. These pre-approved platforms are designed to protect organizational data from exposure and ensure compliance with security standards. Always consult your IT or compliance team for the current list, and seriously, avoid public or unapproved AI tools for any work-related tasks. It's about safeguarding our collective information and regularly verifying we're using the right, secure versions. Let's get into protecting your sensitive and confidential data when using AI tools. It's absolutely crucial to remember that you should never input personal, proprietary, or confidential information unless your organization explicitly authorizes it. Think of it like this: your company likely has clear data classification rules, so know what Level 2+ confidential data means for you and avoid entering it into public AI platforms. And please practice good digital hygiene. Regularly clear chat histories, avoid sharing sensitive details, and always use private sessions to prevent accidental data breaches or exposure. This keeps everyone safer. Now let's dive into a crucial concept when working with artificial intelligence. Keep a human in the loop. Think of AI as your incredibly smart assistant. It can gather information and generate content, but ultimately, you decide. We always need to review AI-generated content carefully, because while it's powerful, it can't replace human judgment or accountability. It's essential to cross-check facts, verify sources, and really watch for bias or hallucinations. Remember, AI can generate plausible but incorrect information, so applying your professional judgment is key. You remain accountable for final outputs. Let's unpack how we can truly be responsible AI users. First, I always advise you to document your work thoroughly, logging those AI prompts and outputs externally. It's vital for transparency, auditing, and continuous improvement of your interactions. Think of it as keeping a smart journal. Second, we must limit data retention. Clear those AI chat histories regularly to minimize data exposure and reduce risk. Lastly, stay current. Regularly consult your IT or governance teams for policy updates and approved tools. This ensures you're always aligned with best practices. Let me show you how to approach AI tools safely and ethically, which is super important these days. First, regarding data privacy, always adhere strictly to organizational standards. Imagine you're handling sensitive company blueprints. You wouldn't just leave them anywhere. Similarly, ensure any information shared with AI follows encryption requirements. Crucially, enable multi-factor authentication (MFA) on your AI tool access. It's an essential layer of protection, like a strong second lock. Finally, stay alert to threats. Phishing emails and deepfake scams are evolving, so be vigilant and report any suspicious activity immediately. Trust your gut. Let's unpack the power of encouraging safe experimentation with AI. It's essentially about fostering innovation within boundaries, allowing us to discover what truly works best for our roles without unnecessary risk. Think of it like a controlled scientific experiment, You're encouraged to test AI tools, perhaps in a sandbox environment, to see their capabilities. But the real magic happens when you share those learnings, both successes and challenges, with colleagues. This collaboration quickly builds collective expertise across the team, documenting what works and what doesn't. We should absolutely celebrate this kind of smart experimentation that respects boundaries, as it drives real productivity gains. Let's consider how vital it is to stay updated with AI, and thankfully resources abound. We can start by leveraging what's within our own organizations. Many institutions have AI hubs, or offer formal training sessions, workshops, and policy updates, which are fantastic for understanding internal best practices. But don't stop there. It's equally important to explore external learning sources. Reputable resources like UC Berkeley's Responsible AI Playbook offer deeper insights in industry best practices. By engaging with both internal and external knowledge, we truly master the subject, building a robust and comprehensive understanding. Let's unpack Georgia's really smart approach to generative AI, showing how state institutions can lead in responsible adoption. They mandate vetted tools only, meaning platforms meet strict security and privacy standards. Think of it like using only pre-approved, safe software. Employees also create an audit trail by recording prompts and carefully reviewing AI outputs for accuracy. Then, regular compliance audits ensure everyone adheres to these guidelines, which is crucial for protecting public trust in government operations. It's a comprehensive framework focused on safety and accountability. Now let's dive into Harvard's really smart approach to AI governance. They're expertly balancing the excitement of innovation with the crucial protection of sensitive research and student data. This means they explicitly prohibit input of confidential data into public AI platforms. Think of it like safeguarding your most private notes. Importantly, they emphasize individual responsibility for reviewing and validating AI-generated content. You're still the expert in the loop. And because AI is constantly evolving, they provide continuous updates, ensuring faculty and staff always have the latest guidance and approved tool lists. It's a proactive way to stay both safe and effective. Let me explain how to build a culture of responsible AI. It truly begins at the top. Leaders must model ethical AI adoption themselves, setting the standard for everyone. Then, open dialogue is crucial. People need a safe space to honestly discuss both the benefits and risks, asking questions without hesitation. Finally, don't forget to recognize innovation. Celebrate those who experiment with AI responsibly and share their knowledge, because that's how we collectively advance best practices and ensure everyone feels empowered to use AI thoughtfully. Let me help you understand how to approach AI usage safely and effectively. It's really about being smart and responsible. First, always stick to approved AI tools. Think of them like trusted roads. You wouldn't drive just anywhere, right? Critically, never share sensitive data. Protect that confidential information like gold. Always keep humans in the loop by reviewing AI outputs because AI can still make mistakes. It's also wise to document your interactions for clarity and learning. Finally, make sure you stay informed about new policies, just like keeping up with traffic laws. What we're looking at here is the responsible AI use cycle, a continuous process crucial for bringing AI into any organization both safely and ethically. It really boils down to a few key things. First, we need to ensure we're using approved tools, meaning only vetted platforms. Then, paramount is safe data handling, protecting all that sensitive information. Remember, every AI output demands human review. We can't just set it and forget it. Lastly, it's about continuous learning, keeping updated on best practices, and thorough documentation, recording interactions to refine our approach. This cycle ensures we use AI wisely. Let's look at how we can truly embrace AI as a powerful ally in our work. It's all about using it thoughtfully and ethically. Much like learning to drive a new, sophisticated car, you need to understand its power and the rules of the road. By experimenting within safe boundaries, we unlock its full potential without risk. Sharing our knowledge as a community also helps us all learn faster, building a strong foundation. This approach ensures AI becomes a trusted partner, allowing us to move forward responsibly and confidently. Thank you for being such attentive learners. I hope this material was helpful and thank you for your time.